Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to turn a video into a photo using CapCut via freeze frame or exporting a still frame. First, open CapCut and import your video into a new project. On the timeline, scrub to the exact frame you want to capture. To freeze that frame in your video, CapCut offers a freeze frame effect. You can apply it by selecting the clip and placing the playhead on the exact part of the video you want to freeze. Hover your mouse over the options on the top of the timeline and look for the freeze frame option. Once you find it, select it. There on the timeline, you can see an extended still image of the frame you chose for the freeze frame. If instead you want a standalone photo to export, use the Export Still Frame feature. Locate the frame of the video that you want to turn into an image. Then on the preview window, locate the hamburger icon or the 3-line menu button. Click on it and select the Export Still Frame option. Adjust your desired settings, like the still frame's file name, its export location, resolution, and file format. After that, click on Export to save the image. And that's how you turn a video into a photo in CapCut. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.